फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन। कुछ सिलेक्टेड प्रॉब्लम्स है डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन के, मोस्टली लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन। लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन के मोस्टली प्रॉब्लम्स दे आर आस्क्ड इन जेईई एग्जाम, तो वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न दैट प्रॉब्लम्स। हियर द प्रॉब्लम इज डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन दिया है डी पी बाई डी टी इज इक्वल टू 1/2p is equal to 100 और इनिशियल कंडीशन दिया है p of 0 equals to 100, so which is asked pt is to be find out। तो इसमें a ऑप्शन करेक्ट है, so let us discuss how it is। लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन है ये। फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर। इसका इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर होगा सीधा डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन वी पुट इन द प्रॉपर फॉर्म। ये प्रॉपर फॉर्म हो गया इसका डी पी बाई डी टी 1/2p is equal to -200. Then integrating factor will be this e raised to power -1/2 integral, so इसका इंटीग्रल होगा e raised to power -1/2t is the integrating factor। जनरल सॉल्यूशन होगा p into integrating factor, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ राइट हैंड साइड इज -200 into integrating factor। this is constant integrating factor we substitute, which is e raised to power -1/2t, so that we substitute pt e raised to power -1/2t 200 integration of this e raised to power -1/2t upon coefficient of t, that is -1/2 plus constant of integration c, this comes out to be 400, and this e raised to power -1/2t we multiply here, so pt is this 400 plus c e raised to power 1/2t, then pt is 400 plus c e raised to power 1/2t। initial condition is given that p of 0 is equal to 100, so therefore put p of 0 here, t is equal to 0, so 100 400 plus c into e raised to power 0, which is c, so we are getting c is equal to -300, so substitute in the equation pt 400 plus -300 into e raised to power t by 2, so a option is the correct option। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन भी, ये क्वेश्चन भी लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का है। x log x dy by dx plus y is equal to 2x log x and x is greater than or equals to 1। ये कंडीशन दिया है x is greater than or equals to 1 and we are asked to find e of y of e, that is when x is equal to e, y is equal to what, that is to be find। so first of all we put the differential equation in proper linear differential equation form, so for that we divide by x log x and it is dy by dx plus 1/x log x y and is equal to 2 x log x is getting cancelled, तो ये linear differential equation in y है। so first of all you get integrating factor, so p is this, integrating factor is e raised to power p dx, so this is integrating factor। first of all we integrate it, अभी इसका इंटीग्रेशन सब्स्टिट्यूशन से कर सकते हैं आप। log ऑफ x को t मान लिया आपने, तो dt विल बी 1/x, सो dx अपॉन x इज dt और ये t, सो विच इज log ऑफ t एंड log ऑफ log x, सो देयरफॉर इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर इज e raised to power log of log x, e raised to power log of log x, so it will be log x only, this is integrating factor। so general solution is given by y into integrating factor and the right hand side is 2 only into integrating factor dx, 2 constant, integrating factor is log x, so we find derivative integration of log x, here integration of log x is x log x minus x plus c constant, which is y log x 2x log x minus 2x plus c, and the condition is given x is greater than or equals to 1, so put x is equal to 1 log of 1 is 0, so this side is 0, here this is 0 and minus 2 it is. So we are getting minus 2 plus c is equal to 0, so c is 2. Substitute c here, y log x, 2x log x minus 2x, and c is equal to 2. Now y of e is to be found. So substitute x is equal to e in the equation. Y log e, 2e log e minus 2e plus 2. So this 2e is getting cancelled and it is c. So y is equal to c. Y is equal to 2 is the answer. That is C option is the correct option. अभी इस क्वेश्चन में दिया है कि कर्व y इज इक्वल टू एफ एक्स पासिंग थ्रू द पॉइंट 1, -1 एंड सेटिस्फाई द डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. ये डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन दिया है y इंटू 1 प्लस एक्स वाई डी एक्स इज इक्वल टू एक्स डी वाई. सो कौन से फॉर्म में हम वी कैन पुट वेदर लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन और नॉट. सो ऑब्वियसली इट इज़ नॉट. तो सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो यू विल गेट सिंप्लीफाइड फॉर्म इज दिस. Simplify the y dx plus x y square dx and x dy. So y dx minus x dy and this y square in denominator plus x dy is equal to 0. This is nothing but derivative of x upon y. So therefore derivative of x upon y and plus x dx. So we integrate this. Integrating this, it is x upon y and this x square by 2 constant c is the first equation, and this is the curve, and this curve is passing through the point 1, -1. From that you can get the value of this constant c. Substitute x is 1, y is -1, it is -1 plus 1 by 2 plus c. So you are getting c is equal to -1 upon 2. Substitute here, so the curve will be x upon y plus x square by 2 and c is equal to -1 upon 2. Further we have to find f of -1 upon 2. That means y is to be found when x is -1 upon 2. So substitute x -1 upon 2 here. -1 upon 2, -1 upon 2 is there. Cancel this and you will get -1 upon y is equal to -1 and this -1 upon 4, which is -5 upon 4. So y will be equal to 4 by 5 and the C option is the correct option. This is again a linear differential equation. A linear differential equation we put in the proper form. 2 plus sin x dy by dx y plus 1 cos of x is equal to 0. Conditions are given. Y of 0 is 1, y of pi by 2 is to be find out. First of all we put the differential equation in linear differential equation form. How we can put 2 plus sin x we divide. So dy by dx y up cos x upon 2 plus sin x y minus cos x upon 2 plus sin x, which is linear differential equation in y. It is of the form dy by dx py is equal to q. So linear differential equation in y. So first we find integrating factor. We integrate this cos upon derivative of 2 plus sin x is cos x. Therefore it is integration is what? Log of 2 plus sin x. F dash of x upon fx, log fx. So integrating factor is e raised to power integral p. Integral p dx is this. So it will be e raised to power log of 2 plus sin x, which is only 2 plus sin x, integrating factor. So general solution is y integrating factor, integration of right hand side is minus cos x upon 2 plus sin x into integrating factor, which is this cancel 2 plus sin x. Right hand side is minus cos x integration, which is sin x. Left hand side is y into 2 plus sin x. Initial condition is x is 0, y is equal to 1. Substitute here x is 0, so y into 2, that is 1 into 2, and c you are getting 2. Substitute c in this equation, y 2 plus, and y of pi by 2 is to be find out, so x is pi by 2, we substitute 2 plus sine pi by 2 minus sine pi by 2, and plus c is 2, this is 1 minus 1 it is. So finally you are getting y of pi by 2 is equal to 1 by 3. So B option is the correct option. डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन दिया है और इनिशियल कंडीशंस दिए है, y ऑफ पाई बाय 2 0, मतलब x इज 0, x इज पाई बाय 2, y इज 0, ये कंडीशन दिया है और यू आर आस्क्ड टू फाइंड y ऑफ पाई बाय 6. सो लेट अस डू इट. फर्स्ट ये डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन वी पुट इन द प्रॉपर फॉर्म, डिवाइडिंग बाय sin x, you are getting the differential equation in linear form which is linear in y. Then integrating factor we find, that is e raised to power p dx, that is cos x upon sin x, derivative of sin cos, that is f dash of x upon fx. So integration will be log of sin x, so e raised to power log of sin x, which is sin x only, that is integrating factor. General solution is given by y into integrating factor, integration of this right hand side 4x upon sin x into integrating factor. Integrating factor is sin x, which is cancelled, and it is 4x dx. So integration of this x square by 2 plus c, that is 2x square plus c, we are getting this equation. We apply here initial condition. Our initial condition is y of pi by 2 is 0, that given y of pi by 2 is 0, sin pi by 2 is 1, y of pi by 2 is 0, so this is 0. So 2 pi by 2 square plus c is equal to 0, which is c is equal to minus pi square upon 2. Substitute here c, y into sin x 2x square, and c is equal to minus pi square upon 2. Y of pi by 6 is to be find out, so substitute here x is equal to pi by 6. Therefore sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2, y of 1 by 2, y into 1 by 2, 2 pi upon 6 square, pi square upon 2. Simplified, you will be getting y of pi by 6 as the answer is minus 8 upon 9 pi square. The D option is the correct option. We find solution of this differential equation. Let us identify which type of differential equation it is. Simplify this, dx by dy will multiply here, dx by dy. So this is free from this dy by dx. Again rearrange the terms, dx by dy and divide by 1 upon 1 plus y square here. So clearly it is of the form dx by dy p of x and is equal to q. So which is linear differential equation in x. So linear differential equation in x, so we find integrating factor, which is e raised to power integral p dy. It is differential equation in x, so p dy. So p is 1 upon 1 plus y square, which is tan inverse of y, that is integrating factor. So general solution is given by x into integrating factor, and integration of this e raised to power tan inverse y upon 1 plus y square, and this e raised to power tan inverse y again. So this multiplication will be square, that is e raised to power 2 times of tan inverse y, which will be, this is suppose t, so e raised to power 2t, and this dy upon 1 plus y square will be what? dt. So it is of the form e raised to power 2t dt, which integration is e raised to power 2t upon 2 plus c, but t is tan inverse of y, so therefore it is e raised to power 2 tan inverse of y and upon 2, this 2 is multiplied here, 2c will write k, because it is constant, we will write k. We introduce new constant as per options are given in terms of k. So this will be the required differential equation, that is B option is the correct option.